Hi friends, I'm Kelsey with Two Structures Homes. Today I'm out in Rockwell Park and I want to take you through our Louis bonus floor plan that we have for sale. We have this home for sale currently. It is a 3-car, 4-bedroom bonus room. It has 2.5 bathrooms. So stay tuned to the end and I'll tell you the price of it. And we have a special on it right now and I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. So stick around. We're gonna go through this house. Follow along. So here's the front of the home. Again, it's 3 cars. You have the 3-car bays there, and it is on a corner lot, so that's really nice. And then the entrance to the neighborhood is right there. We have Spring Creek Elementary School right there, so it's a really easy commute to school for the kiddos. We have a really beautiful landscape with the rock border and the pebbles there on the inside, and then we have these cool pavers, a really kind of desert looking landscape, and we have James Hardie siding on the entire exterior, so it is like a cementitious, so it's wood free. Really nice covered patio. And we have your keyless entry like we have on all of our Two Structures homes. As we come into the interior, you have a really large foyer that welcomes you. We have a beautiful gold light fixture. This is the first bedroom here, or it can be the study, however you want to use that. We have some really pretty built-in shelves that are stained. A good look at that rich color. So perfect for your little decorative items. Then to the left, we have your closet. Coat closet there. And then let's go back over to the right and go check out this first bedroom study. We have 4 LED lights in here, plus the main light fixture. And we have more built-in shelving here. A double window that does face the front yard. And then you'll notice all throughout the home we have this wood look LVT flooring. It is a click together flooring system. It's really durable and has a really good wood look. If you'll notice, I'll get in close. It doesn't have any like grout lines. So as opposed to the popular tile, you'll not be cleaning grout. It just has more of a real wood look, and it doesn't have the maintenance of real wood. Then in here is just the closet. We have your smart home panel and all of that in here. Sorry for the mess. We're just kind of storing this stuff in here for the time being. Okay, so then let's go back out this way. We're gonna go into the main living room. We have a stacked stone rock fireplace that goes to the ceiling, a stained mantle that if you open this up, you can put all your components in there. It is a gas fireplace with logs, and we have the switch to turn that on right there. More built-ins with the same stain. Then we have 2 windows that are overlooking your back patio. We have additional LED lights in here, and then a ceiling fan. And let's go this way and go check out the primary bedroom. We have your smart thermostat here, another pretty light fixture. Now this primary suite is really large. We have more of these LED disc lights in here, and then a ceiling fan, 2 windows overlooking that backyard, and then you have private access to your patio and backyard. Now this backyard is fully fenced, so we'll go check that out in a few minutes, but you have like a little designated space for maybe a desk or some seating, just private off of the main house. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom here. If you didn't notice before, the doors and the cabinets in this home are actually like a super dark jewel colored green. So it just gives a cool look as opposed to doing in black. It's just different. And then we did gold hardware on here. We have the square undermount sinks, black fixtures, more gold lighting, beautiful mirror, some storage up top and below there. That is the water closet in there with the door for added privacy. And then we have a nice soaker tub, more black fixtures, and we have gold accents there to mimic, sorry, it's a little out of focus, to mimic the gold lighting. We have a frosted window there, and then a really beautiful walk-in shower. You have the gold robe hooks or towel hooks, some mosaic. This tile is like a black and brown. It looks really good against the gold and the black. More mosaic. And then you'll hear this vent. It's a vented can light, and that does vent to the exterior. And then checking out the primary closet, really spacious. A lot of opportunities for organizing all those beautiful clothes you'll have. And added shoe boxes. It's a good size for a home at this size and price range. Okay, so that is the primary suite on this side of the house. Let's go check out the secondary bedrooms over here. So across the main living space, you have 2 additional bedrooms. So, and then here in the hallway, you have storage for games and blankets and added linens. Bedroom, what is this, 3 now? Window looking over the backyard. We have a double door closet on this one. Lots of storage. Back out to the hallway. On the right is the hall bathroom, which is really great. I love this floor plan's bathroom because you have the double vanity, again with the upgraded undermount sinks. We have the brushed nickel faucets and black hardware and lighting. Great drawer space, under cabinet space. We have a cute little window on the side yard with blinds. And then we have there's separated water closet with the tub shower combo in here. So someone can be getting ready while the other one is taking a shower, which is great. And then back out here we have bedroom 4. Nice window there. This one has a walk-in closet. Again, really great storage opportunities in here. I'm going to take you upstairs to check out the bonus room, which I think you're really going to love. So across the kitchen, down the hallway, so right there is the, not laundry room, right here is the laundry room. Right here's the garage. So you have your utility room, we have some cabinets above there. So it's on the cozy side here, but you have a really beautiful light fixture. Again with the wood look vinyl throughout. Let's go check out your garage while we're here. Now, if you know anything about 2 structures, we have standard garages. We have the cutout for the storm shelter should you choose to put one in. We do have the smart garage door opener, so that's Wi-Fi capable, it has an app. You have your attic access, at least this one above the garage. Your sprinkler, so this home comes with the sprinkler. And then this over here is your tankless water heater system. It is Rinnai. And then again, let's go back to the cutout. We have to cut that out because it is a post-tension foundation. So we don't put the cables in there, so when they come in, they don't mess any of that up. And then your electrical panel out here as well. Okay, let's go check out upstairs. We did the upgraded carpeting on here, so it's like a low ply there. Some pretty sconces. It's a good sized bonus room. Put your TV up here, put a playroom, put a gym, office, however you choose to use this room. It would function in a lot of different ways, and we do have a powder bathroom up here. It's really cute. It's perfect. We have this cute quartz countertop, again with the undermount square sinks and light fixture in here. And then I said we had one of the attic accesses in the attic, or in the garage, so this is your other one. So you can see all this blown in foam. You can see the radiant decking up there, the solar board. And here is your furnace up there. Okay. Let's go check out this. You can't see much of the yard, but up here, but there you have that. Okay, let's go back downstairs. Trying to be as slow as I can. so I don't jiggle you around a lot. There's your security system. Okay, so now we've seen the house. Let's hang out in this kitchen area because it's beautiful. So we have a 3cm quartz countertop, and this is gray on the island. We have your refrigerator would go there, storage above it, and we have a nice little buffet. We use that as like a coffee bar. You can use it in a lot of different ways, but we see most people use it as a nice little coffee bar, but you could put a wine bar, put a little fridge up here or something like that as well. We did the dark hunter green on the cabinets in here. We have some storage for put books or bowls, however you want to style that. This backsplash is really beautiful. It's that green, kind of like handmade look there. That gold hardware extends to the kitchen. Really large drawers that have the full extension guides on them. Here's your Frigidaire stainless steel washer. A huge apron front sink from Kohler. It has a garbage disposal. And then the gold faucet has a pull out and spray. Apologize, I was hoping I wouldn't show my drink in there, but there you have it. We do have the cabinets to the ceiling with the lights in them. So it's a really pretty like night light. It gives a good ambiance in the evening. Gas range, a microwave above. And then here is your lovely pantry. It's massive. Lots of room for your kitchen appliances and food and whatever else you could place in there. And then check out this. This is the same, I think, as the upstairs powder bathroom. It's really pretty, like a speckly, interesting color. Okay, guys, so that wraps up this beautiful home. Okay, so thanks for hanging out with me. As I promised, at the end of this video is going to give you more of the pricing breakdown on this home. So again, it is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It has a 3-car garage. It's in Deer Creek Schools. This neighborhood, Rockwell Park, does have a community pool, playground, soccer fields, across the street from Spring Creek Elementary School. And we have this house currently priced at $435,900. And we have a special going on at the time of this recording. You can call for more of the details, but basically on a 30-year fixed FHA mortgage with approved credit, you can get an interest rate of 4.875. So if that sounds like something that you can do, definitely give us a call. Our information is in the description below me here, so we'd love to hear from you. Please let me know what you thought about this house in the comments. We'd love to have your feedback. Thanks so much and have a great day.
Hi, please like, tag, share, and follow. And most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.